Hello YouTube, this is your boy Chris, back at it again, and I wanted to give you a up close look at my workstation PC that I built from the ground up. I use the NZXT H440 case for this particular build, and I wanted to just give you guys an inside look. And for the demonstration, I'm only using one monitor for this demonstration, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the case and kind of give you an up close look at the components that I use for my build. Okay guys, I have removed the side panel from off of my case. The case that I'm using in this build is a NZXT H440 mid-tower case. For the motherboard, I'm using the Maximus V Formula motherboard. For the processor, I'm using an Intel i7 3770 non-K. Right now, I'm just running at stock speeds. I haven't overclocked it because there's really not a need to overclock it right now, because this machine will play anything that you can throw at it. So to cool the processor, I'm using a Corsair H60 that I have mounted up here on the roof of the case. Moving downward, I'm using two GTX 760's. One of the GTX 760's I brought from home. I tried to run 4 GTX 760's and it was not compatible on that particular motherboard. Well, running 4 GTX 760's is not compatible. The maximum you can run is 3 GTX 760's, even though the motherboard can be compatible to 4-way SLI. But in this particular build, I'm just running 2 GTX 760's running in SLI. It's powered by a Corsair 1050 watt power supply, which you cannot see because basically it's on the back side of this red label here, so it is covered. I have one 2 terabyte platter hard drive and one 240 gig SSD installed in this particular system. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up look at the internal components that I use to build this workstation system. This system is great for video editing, 3D rendering, and of course gaming. If we move here to the screen here, my Windows experience on this system is 8.0. Processor is 8.3, RAM is 8.3, graphics is 8.4, 3D graphics is 8.4, and the SSD hard drive 8.0, which gives me a score of 8.0. So it is a fast system. There's nothing that I can throw at it that it will not play. I'm using the operating system Windows 8.1. Windows 10 is soon to release. I may upgrade to Windows 10 once all of the bugs are worked out. It should release sometime this year, but right now I'm just using Windows 8.1. Firestrike Extreme 1.1. My score was 5,037. On the physics score, it was actually 9,795. My score here is on the top line, 5,037, which is 6 to 8% of all results. For a high-end gaming PC, the highest score would be like a 4710, 1981 on a gaming laptop, and so on. But my score here is even greater than, looks like a high-end gaming PC. Oh, with the lights off. It's like a Fire Dragon red.
Some of the things he does.
So.
Real happy, but
You need to get off the streets. The agency knows my secure locations, and they will be searching for us. This is the safest place I know.
Can I come with you?
You need to hide till I know what's going on.
Oh, it was you who called.
Yes.
Oh, you must be Victoria. Come on in, child.
Thank you for your help. This girl is important. Take this.
We will take good care of her, my son.
Diana said you need that necklace. Don't lose it.
Will you come back?
I'll be watching.
Alright guys, I'm going to put in Titanfall, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and check my settings on the game, make sure that I have the best settings. 1920 by 1080 since I'm using one monitor, double buffered, texture and resolution. I'm going to go with very high. Okay. My lighting quality, everything is on high. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, and let's go ahead and just run Titanfall just to kind of get an idea of what it's gonna look like when I play it. Again, there's not any game out there that my work system will not play.
Range active.
No lagging, just sheer power. Where did he go? Plays Titanfall so fast. Get some. And basically you want to run around and you just want to take out any enemy forces that you may come across. Get some. Get some.
Ratings increased. Good work.
Get some. Get some. Get some. Yeah. Yeah, get some, Trick.
Your fight will be ready in 60 seconds.
Go ahead and reload. Afraid, get him. Get him. Get some.
Rating increased.
Titan ready in 15 seconds.
Okay guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tour of my workstation system that I built from the ground up. Again, it is super fast. I have no problems with it. No lagging, no dragging. Just an overall fast system. It boots up in about 20 seconds with my SSD. Again, I'm running Windows 8.1. I have no problem with it. It's just overall a fast system. As you can see here, just running a couple of little things. It is very quick. So yeah, that's the benefit of building your own system. You can put in your own components. When you buy a system at like Walmart, they're gonna add the cheapest components that they can buy. So when you build your own system, you can run your own components and you can beef it up any way you like. And that's one of the benefits to you know, having your own system. So that's all I have for you guys. I just want to give you a quick demonstration of my workstation system. So you guys drop me some comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about it, what you like or what you didn't like. Maybe even some improvements that I need to make. And I'll see you guys later.